Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to use Booklet. So basically you could go start from stats and then you could see here your avatar and your name, which I named mine KFC Water. If anyone wants to see my video, built basically my account, you could just see KFC Water. But I don't think you could search people's account. Not really sure about that, but yeah. So you can go settings. You could see KFC Water. Well, yeah. And then your email, all that. Change info, edit info, which you could change your teacher layout, request password reset, change email permanently, delete account. And then you can support it, privacy, social, plan for Booklet starters, and then you could update it. You could update it to like basically anything. You could see more other kinds of games that you could play for recent changes. Okay, so now that we have it, we could go to books. And then you could see your previously Booklet kind of books, which is basically called books. So you have your avatar, and then you could change it to whatever. I'm on my other account, so this I did not use Booklet at all on this account, which I had this account for like 3 years already, but yeah. So I had a pizza, and I think I sold all my coins. So yeah, I have like 5 coins right now. But yeah, here is just the market. You could buy anything really, and then you'd have your avatar, which you could just select anything over here. You could discover, or you could just discover like any kind of game that you want to play. As for like what's the animal, name the logo, guess the kids TV show character, multiplication facts, guess the food twist, name the animal, name the flag, name Disney movies by scenes, US states, name the video game, second grade science, Khan Academy. Yes, Khan Academy. It is pretty cool. I've been playing it ever since 5th grade. Yeah. Booklet 2 for 3rd grader math, energy sources, nouns, adjectives, verbs, and adverbs. Yes, you could learn about that. Teacher verified, so teachers like that too. I know y'all teachers are watching here, but yeah. You could set your creators, so you could set any kind of quiz you want. So you could just have your title, your description, your privacy settings, which you could change it to private or public. Creation method, this decides how you'll start adding questions to the site. You can go manual, Quizlet import, and then CSV import. You can add your photos to make the title, or basically pop out, which you could see all these kinds of pictures. You'll see over here. Yeah. And then my sets, so you could just create any kind of set. I created the cat one, so I could just add it here. And then we could add my question. So we could add, what does cat like to do? And then you could just add the question. It likes chasing. So I'm gonna copy and paste that, and then I'm gonna add it, and then here, and then cat hunting or interactive play. Make this more harder for more longer kind of sentences, to make it more harder so that they can read it, and they have a less amount of time to read it. So not like today. I could just make it as to like other of these questions. Let's see. Okay. And then let's see. Okay, then we're here. So yeah, you have that here, and then you could save it. I generally just put all these. So I found them all at how do you say Google. But yeah. Genuinely, here's all just basically all the stuff over here that shows over here. And then you could go favorites, you could favorite any kind of quiz that you want. As for this, okay, so after that, we have the basically, we could just play the games right now. So I'm gonna be doing the name the logo, and then we're gonna do the cafe win, which is basically solo. So, yeah, you can click on this cafe. And then I can load my game or you play new games, so I'm gonna load my new game. So I can restock it by just clicking on here. Pringles, Olympics, Quizlet, Facebook, Apple. I use this one a lot. This one is basically my favorite one. So yeah. App Store, McDonald's. Email. Talk about. Okay. So give them a food. Uh, Gordon, Instagram, Google Classroom. Oh, I was supposed to click on Spotify. Microsoft. What do this? Okay, here we go. Over here. Here. Over here. YouTube. Okay, so I got my new day, so I could buy. I have about 125, so I can just up here. And then new day, so I could just click on McDonald's, Microsoft, Google Classroom, Starbucks, Adidas, Under Armour, Apple. So I'm gonna try to get up to about maybe about 10 days. Day 10. So yeah. Spotify, Google Drive, the App Store, Instagram, Booklets, YouTube, Jordan, Gmail. That's it. Talk about Facebook, Starbucks, Facebook. Okay, so oh, so they all want toast, just one toast for them for breakfast. Microsoft. Okay, so we're now on 33. So you could just buy those. So App Store, Jordan, Nike, Fashion, McDonald's, Twitter, Adidas, Olympics, Spotify, Google Drive, YouTube, Google Chrome, talk about what's that, Instagram, Apple, Gmail, Under Armour. Okay, let's see what they want. They want milk, share, orange juice. Does that Santa Claus? Santa Claus wants some food. Snapchat. Pringles. Pringles again. Google Drive. Jordan. Adidas. Flip Store. Spotify. No. I was supposed to click on Nike. Yeah, sorry guys. Here. 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 Talk about. No. Instagram. Snapchat. Canva. Starbucks. YouTube. Nerds. Facebook. Movies. Is it? Here. So now we're on day 4, so we got $2,000, which is pretty cool. I'm just bumping it around. Oh, I thought that said Taylor Swift. 2. Yeah, basically, I'm trying to get to day 10. I don't think the video is gonna be enough for day 10, so, maybe the next video. I'm not really sure. Probably just more Roblox videos or so. Right here. And then milk, strawberry, and toast. Okay. Get toast from you. I like to raise a toast to the girl I love most, Darla. Yeah. So we got day 5. Maybe bonus times in the cafe level. Balls, Adidas, Jordan, Under Armour, McDonald's, Facebook, Drive, Nike, Jordan, Snapchat, YouTube, Spotify, Pringles, Apple. Why did they say Pringles as like supercuts? That's actually crazy. Milk, milk and breakfast. Twitter was a, Starbucks, Taco Bell, email, Adidas, Under Armour, Instagram, App Store, McDonald's, Microsoft, Snapchat. Okay. We got like 99, 100 more. Well, I mean, I think our limit is just 99, but yeah, I think they have more. Yeah. Milk, orange juice, yogurt, milk, yogurt. um, yeah, I'm not funny at all. Yeah. Spotify. Okay, we're on day 6 now. Maybe we get up to like day 8, maybe. Day 8. Microsoft, US, Nike, Olympics, Jordan, Starbucks, YouTube, Washington, McDonald's, Google Drive, Booklet, Gmail, Indiana Colts, Instagram, Gmail, Taco Bell, Pringles, Apple, Twitter. Okay. Got milk, yogurt, toast, and then for you, orange juice. App Store, Microsoft, App Store, Twitter, Bullet Fashion, Starbucks, Pringles, Instagram, Spotify, and then Adidas, and then Apple. And here yogurt, yeah. Toast, waffles. I had waffles in the morning actually. They're pretty good. Yogurt, milk, pretzels, Nike. Okay, we got day 7, so this is the last one. Unlock pancakes. YouTube, Facebook, Gmail, Jordan, Booklet, McDonald's, Under Armour, Olympics, Taco Bell, Google Drive, Olympics, Instagram, Spotify, Starbucks, Twitter, McDonald's, Google Classroom, App Store, Snapchat, Let's talk about them. Okay, I've been saying that out loud so much that I forgot about a cafe. Toast. Gmail. Lana. That's it. Jordan. Apple. Goodbye. Pringles. Nike. Adidas. Google. Facebook. Microsoft. And Snapchat. And Pringles. Okay, toast, milk, and cereal, and then for you, toast, pancakes. Yes. I think that was waffles actually. Okay, I got it. Okay, so guys, hope you liked this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification for more other videos to make sure you guys want some tutorials, unboxing, more other Roblox videos, and educational videos. Basically all that kind of other stuff you want. Basically free stuff, try to unbox it on stuff. Tutorials, all that other stuff, yeah. So yeah, hope you liked this video. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.